Welcome back again to my channel. I'm Jessica Isimbahon, and today I will going to discuss another topic. This is all about microbial diversity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In the previous discussion, we already know about what is organism or microbe. They are too small to be seen with naked eye, but how about diversity? Diversity defined as the variability among living organisms. They are the main key of microbial diversity on Earth is due to evolution. And also consider the vast array of microorganisms, the smallest forms of life which exist everywhere. Microbes, they live in the steaming hot springs, coloring stones. Thermophilic bacteria are found in the warmest places. Staining them with color and luminescence display of Atolla jellyfish is also produced by bacteria. Some microbes are enemies of a plant because pathogens, disease-causing agents, often called germs or bugs, area threat to all life forms. The diversity of microbial metabolism in prokaryotes. Bacterial cell shape is determined primarily by a protein called an REB form, a spiral, and a simple cytoskeleton. Most bacteria come in one of the basic coccus, cocci, or bacillus, and spiral. Coccus. The cocci are spherical or oval bacteria, having one of several distinct arrangements. Strep throat is caused by cocci. Streptococcus pneumoniae or Diplococcus. Size cocci bacteria is range from 0.5 to 3 micrometer. Next is bacillus or bacilli. Bacterial cells that are rod-shaped and resemble to nuclei is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Spiral bacteria have twisted or helical morphology that resemble little corkscrews. They may appear as curved rods called vibrios, as spirilla or spirochetes. Example, gastritis, which is caused by Helicobacter pylori, is a spiral-shaped bacteria. Gram-positive. Bacteria which can retain the crystal violet dye because of the thick layer of peptidoglycan and are stained purple with low resistance against antibodies and more resistance to drying and physical disruption, and they can produce primary exotoxins. Gram-negative. Stained red or pink as they do not retain the crystal violet dye because of thin layer peptidoglycan with more resistance against antibodies because of impenetrable membrane, but they have low resistance to drying and physical disruption, and they can produce primary endotoxins. Diversity of microorganism, morphology of eukaryotic. cell shapes are almost numerous as cell type. There is no typical shape. The cells of certain unicellular form, such as amoeba, diatoms, acellabularia. Diversity of microorganisms, morphology, virus. Viruses of all shapes and sizes consist of a nucleic acid core, an outer protein coating or capsid, and sometimes an outer envelope. Viruses come in many shapes and sizes, but these are consistent and distinct for each viral family. In general, the shapes of viruses are classified into 4 groups: the filamentous, isometric icosahedral, envelope, and head and tail. Filamentous viruses are having the form of threads or such as a membrane, long cylindrical, many plant. Viruses are filamentous, including tobacco mosaic virus. Isometric icosahedral viruses have shapes that are roughly spherical, such as poliovirus or herp viruses. Envelope viruses have membranes surrounding capsids. Animal viruses, such as HIV, are frequently enveloped. Head and tail viruses. These viruses infect bacteria. They have a head that is similar to isometric viruses and a tail shaped like filamentous virus. Overall, the shape of the viron and the presence or absence of an envelope tell us little about what disease the virus was caused or what species it might infect. But they are still useful means to begin viral classification. Among the most complex virus known, the P4 bacteriophage, which infects the Escherichia coli bacterium, has a tail structure that the virus uses to attach to host cells and a head structure that houses its DNA. Adenovirus, a non-enveloped animal virus that causes respiratory illnesses in humans, uses glycoprotein spikes protruding from its capsomers to attach to host cells. Include those that cause poliovirus, plantar warts, papillomavirus, and hepatitis A virus. Beneficial of microbes help to form a protective barrier lining the gut and preventing the growth of pathogenic bacteria such as Salmonella, Campylobacter, Clostridia, and E. coli, among others. In doing this, the microbiome helps to address 2 critical challenges in the agricultural industry: food safety and antibiotic use. The association between greater microbial diversity and increased resistance to pathogen colonization is well documented. Enhancing microbial diversity can potentially reduce the Campylobacter load in the cecum. It can also minimize the attachment and invasion of bacteria. Antibiotics, whether given in feed for growth, production, or even at therapeutic levels to treat specific diseases, adversely affect the gut microbiome by reducing microbial diversity. Microbial diversity is the key to gut health. Your immune system is stronger and more stable. I'll take news the importance of establishing a favorable microbial population and for our innovative products, what really makes us to survive.